this video is on simplifying expressions using the index laws. So I need to write these expressions as single powers of x, or I can say simplify these. So I have x to the power of 3 times x squared over x to the power of 8. Now I'm going to work with the top of the fraction first. I have x to the power of 3 times x squared. Now I have the same base and I'm multiplying, so I need to add the powers. So this is going to be equal to x to the power of 5 over x to the power of 8. Now again I have the same base x and x here, and I'm dividing, so x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 8, so I need to minus the powers. So I'm going to have this is equal to x to the power of 5 minus 8, and that's equal to x to the power of minus 3. Now in this next one I have to use a different index law. So I have x to the power of 3 and I need to power that by 2 over 5. Now when I have this, I just need to write, so I'll write it here, x to the power of 3 times 2 over 5. So 3 times 2 over 5, and that's going to be x to the power of 6 over 5. Now in this last example I have cube root, and then I have a fraction, and I have multiplying here, dividing there. So I'm going to leave the cube root first, and I'm just going to work with the top of the fraction. So I have the same base x, and I have some different powers, and I have multiply. So I'm going to add these powers. So this is going to be cube root. So if I add a half and 5 over 2, that's going to give me 6 over 2. And 6 over 2 is 3. So x to the power of 3 over x to the power of 5. Now I have a fraction here that I'm going to work with, so I'm just going to leave the cube root again. So I have same base again, x, and I've got 3 take away 5 because I'm dividing here. So this is going to be equal to, so I have cube root of, so x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 5, that's just x to the power of minus 2. Now what I'm going to do, this cube root, I'm going to write it as a power of a third. So I'm going to write this as, this is equal to x to the minus 2 in a bracket to the power of a third. Now I need to use the rule where I'm going to multiply these. So I've got, this is going to be x to the power of minus 2 times a third, and this is just equal to x to the power of minus 2 over 3. So this, all of this here simplifies to x to the power of minus 2 over 3. Now I have some questions here for you. So simplify these expressions, and or write them as single powers. Actually you can't write them all as single powers because I have x and y here, but some of these you can. So simplify all of these expressions and bring that to the lesson.